Are you joined the class?
Yeah, Shravanti.
Are you joined the class?
Yeah, Shravanti.
Okay, then sure.
Okay.
Everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. Varun. Nageshwari, can you hear me?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can hear.
we can.
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear you.
Eric, yeah. Please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Some other participant joining and wait. everyone. Can you hear me? Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, it's loading now. Yeah, we can see now.
Yeah. So myself, I'll give small introduction. Demo one. So myself, I'm Guna Shaker. Everyone, you are able to see my PPT, right? So today I'm going to take a small demo about SQL, TSQL. So myself, I'll give small introduction. Here we are going to cover today demo. What is database? What is SQL? So what are the SQL developer roles? I'm going to discuss detail. Everybody, my voice is clear, eh? Yeah. So now, listen, myself, I'll give small introduction. Myself, I'm Shaker. Na Shaker. I completed MCA. Presently, I'm working as a SQL developer and a TSQL developer in top MNC in Hachibowli, Hyderabad. Yeah, please wait, one more participant joining. What it is. So I'm Shaker. I completed MCA. Presently working as a SQL developer in top MNC in Hyderabad, Hachibowli. I have around 16 plus years experience in IT industry. First, I was worked in SQL developer. After the TSQL developer, presently working as a BA developer as a data analyst. Actually, we are Microsoft client. Our world Microsoft employees are there, and Microsoft itself, they are maintaining retail store project. So Microsoft employee, they are purchasing the product. After purchase the product, if they are getting hardware support, web support, app support, directly contact to the Microsoft call center. Microsoft call center connect to the our organization call center. So what is my role? I need to retrieve the data from the different. Yeah, 1 minute. Lakshmi, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So you are retrieve the data from the different RDBMS, transfer to the staging database. After the transfer to the data warehouse staging database, transfer to the queue, generating the report, sending to the client. That is my day-to-day work. According to the training, I'm part-time trainer, handling the subject SQL, TSQL, plus Power BI. According to SQL School Institute, we are teaching Microsoft product as well as non-Microsoft product. Microsoft product are the product SQL, Azure, Power BI, Python, and Snowflake, all database, PostgreSQL. Here 100% practical oriented I'm going to discuss. I prepared day-to-day work scenario based. And I'm going to discuss step-by-step example, one by one, step by step. And once you are completed the program, you need to prepare the resume, submitted to our organization, SQL School, contact@sqlschool.com. They're providing job support also, job-oriented. And we can complete, after complete the program, certification also you are able to do it. So we are training vendors for the ADP, Mindtree, Accenture, many organization, Value Lab, Mobile UH, right? HCL, Zenda Labs, L&T. Got it. So what is database? What is the database usage? I'm going to discuss today. Able to follow me? Got it, everyone? Understand? Second. So now database basic, I'm going to discuss. Okay. So before database example, now I'm going to discuss, check it, demo session. Want to understand? Second, SQL Server. Everyone, did install software? No, right? I'll give that path also. So SQL Server is one of the RDBMS tool, Relational Database Management System. Who developed this RDBMS? Microsoft Corporation. But Microsoft Corporation is a big organization, right? They develop different products. Are they operating system, application development tool, database server, data warehouse, ERP tool, and the reporting and analytical tool, and cloud computing. Second, in Microsoft operating system example, Windows operating system. Microsoft application development tool, Visual Studio .NET. And Microsoft database server, SQL Server, SQL and TSQL. And second, so Microsoft operating system will Windows, application development tool .NET, database server, SQL Server, SQL and TSQL. And Microsoft data warehouse, MSP. The ERP tool, Dynamic. Many tools are available. And the reporting tool, Power BI. Now, so in our session, first we are going to conduct Microsoft database server, SQL Server, SQL and TSQL. Today I'm going to take a demo about database server, SQL Server and SQL and TSQL. Second, in IT market, not only SQL Server, many RDBMS available. It's popular RDBMS product. What are the RDBMS product? SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, DB2, MySQL, Ingress, Teradata, MS Access, PostgreSQL, SAP HANA. Many RDBMS available. Everybody got it? Any doubt? We can use chat panel also. Okay now? Any question? Please use chat panel also. Okay. So many RDBMS products are available. Most commonly used the 10 product. SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, DB2, MySQL, Ingress, Teradata, MS Access, Postgre, SAP HANA. But don't want to learn all RDBMS. Why? Because all the RDBMS using common language, SQL, structured query language. SQL is a common database language. Everybody got it? And SQL was developed by IBM. TSQL was developed by Microsoft. And SQL is a common database language. All RDBMS using common language SQL. So SQL was developed by IBM. SQL is a common database language. The SQL was introduced time, IBM team first given product name Square only. What is the full form of Square? Specification of query as relational expression. In 1973, they are renamed in SQL. 1979 onwards, they are renamed in SQL, structured query language. Again. So SQL was developed by IBM. And SQL is a common database language. When the SQL was introduced time, IBM team first given product name Square only. What's the full form of Square? Specification of query as relational expression. My voice is clear, right, everyone? Everybody got it? Structured query language. Under this SQL 1979 onwards, same name SQL. Under SQL, there are 5 sub-languages available. Today, I'll take overall demo. In the regular session, I'll show you one by one. Under SQL, there are 5 sub-languages. Data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language, data query language. Under DDL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language, data query language. Under DDL, how many commands are there? Overall, create, alter, truncate, drop. Under DML, insert, update, delete, merge. Under DQL, select command, day-to-day work. Under TCL, grant and revoke. Under TCL, commit, rollback, save. So what is the roll up under DDL? Create, alter, truncate, drop, rename. Under DML, insert, update, delete, merge. Under DQL, select command. Under TCL, grant and revoke. What is the roll up create command? Everyone? Akash, Lakshmi. What is the roll up create command? You can use chat panel. Or unmute and
Creating
talk.
some command or creating some table.
Somebody saying creating the table. Very good. What about others? Somebody saying creating the view, creating the table, creating the procedure. But correct answer? Creating the database. But the correct answer, creating the database objects. Create command is used to creating the database objects. Second, how many object? I'll explain what is mean by database. What is mean by objects? Second, object is nothing but a entity. All visible, common, and everything objects one. All visible, common, and everything object. Under this database, how many objects are available? Many more objects are available. But most commonly used, these 8 objects. What are they? Table, view, synonym, index, procedure, function, trigger. Check it. Many objects are available. So I'm going to discuss in the regular session. It's a separate topic. I'm going to discuss overall time. Table, view, synonym, index, stored procedure, stored function, stored trigger, sequence. Got it? Able to understand? Many objects are available. Most commonly used table. But now, first I want to discuss what is mean by database. Everybody understand it? Then you will understand database objects. Second, our demo purpose, I prepared one table name, employee table I prepared. Under this employee table, how many columns are there? Field employee name, employee number, salary, correct? Employee table I prepared, employee name, employee number, salary. And vertical line column, right? Horizontal line row. But column row is a non-technical word. Try to avoid. Then how to call? Each column in a table is called as field or attribute. Everybody able to understand? Each column in a table is called as field or attribute. And every column on column heading is the name, that is field name. Same like this. Each row in a table is called a record. So each column in a table is called as field. Same like this, each row in a table is called a record. And the collection of related record is called a table. Collection of table is called a database. Second. So what is a data? Collection of information. Any information. Student information, customer information, bank information. Next technical word, field. What is meant by field? Each column in a table is called as field. Check. Each column in a table is called as field, or collection of related data is called as field. Same like this, what is meant by record? Each row in a table is called a record, or collection of related fields are called a record. Correct? Each row in a table is called a record, or collection of related fields are called a record. Correct? The collection of related record is called a table. Same like this. This is I prepared one January month payment list. February, March, April, May, June. Around 12 table I prepared. Stored under single container. That is database. For example, I prepared HR database. Second, HR database. How many tables are there? Region table, country table, location table, department table, employee table, job table, job history table, job grade table. So how many tables are there? Many tables are there in HR data. So it's a database collection of related table. Everybody understand? Everyone got my point? So collection of related table is called a database. So in the database, now we are collected, take reservation database, reservation table, cancellation table, PNR status table, train running status table, train master table, train fare list table, train timing table, everything reservation related. So once develop the database, I given to the railway team or reservation team, HR team, what they are doing every day? Reservation, cancellation, modification. Means insert the record, update the record, delete the record. How to insert the record, update the record, delete the record? Using software DBMS. Check it. So table, collection of table is called a database. So after collecting the database, creating the database, I given to the railway team or HR team. Every day what they are doing? Reservation, cancellation, modification. Means insert the record, update the record, delete the record. How to insert the record, update the record, delete the record? Using software DBMS, right? Database Management System. What is the full form of DBMS? Database Management System. But DBMS is software used to insert the record, update the record, delete the record in single table, only one table. But in IT environment, I want to insert the record, update the record, delete the record in related table, multiple table, more than one table. Everybody understand? Then we are using RDBMS. So RDBMS is a software used to insert the record, update the record, delete the record in related table. How to insert the record, update the record using language? SQL, structured query language. Under SQL, how many sub-language? 5 sub-languages are there. DDL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, transaction control language, data control language. Any doubts? Everybody? Everybody understand?
So the database objects. So is it similar for all the databases? Like
All RDBM, all RDBM. MySQL, DB2, Sybase, all RDBM is common.
Okay, so the database objects are
Correct.
common.
Yes, yes. This field can also be called a cell. Cell means in Excel spreadsheet, they are calling cell.
Okay, not this one.
Yeah,
But
not
the
this
above
one.
one.
A technical word, attributes. Cell
No,
means that is spreadsheet, not RDBMS.
No, I'm talking about the other database in objects, which you showed earlier. Can you scroll up?
Field or field.
Yeah, this one, synonym, index, and all. So all these are
this
similar in all the database.
database object. What happens? Common.
Okay, so the same names will be used in other databases as well.
Other database, common only.
Okay.
Stored procedure, stored function, stored trigger, or database trigger sequence, common. Very good.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Very good. Everyone got an idea? Understand? So concept clear na? Data, field, record, table, database, DBMS, RDBMS, got it? Understand? Check it. So what is a database? It's one platform. It's a container store any type of data, student information, customer information, bank information, and any amount of data. More security, username, authentication, password, there then only we can access. Very good. Get on? About database, I'll explain. Very good. Nageshwari, got it? Yes. So database is nothing but a collection of related tables. That's all. For example, HR database created, Anna. Region table, country table, how to create the relationship, primary key, foreign key, no worry about that. Practically, I'll show you in the regular session. So timing, understand, what's a database? Collection of related table. What's a table? Collection of related records. What's a record? Collection of related fields. What's my field? Collection of related data. Data, nothing but information. Nageshwari, got it, everybody? Database, nothing but a collection of related table. I'll forward the document, supporting document. First start with data. After that field. Okay, na? First technical word data. Collection of information. After that field. Each column in a table is called as field. After the record, order wise you need to prepare. Got it? Next table. After the database, after the DBM, RDBMS. All the RDBMS, insert, update, how to insert, update, delete. How to talk the database. We are using one special language, database language, SQL. Under SQL, 5 sub-languages. DDL, DML, DQL, TCL. Can you do that, everyone? Able to understand? Got it? Yes. So DBMS. So now you have developed the database. I need to insert the record, update the record. How to talk the database? Using DBMS, Database Management System. So DBMS is a software used to, right, store, secure, and manage the database. Only single database. Example, DBMS, SQL Server, IBM, DB to MySQL, Oracle. But now you are using RDBMS, Relational Database Management. So SQL Server also, DBMS software, Microsoft, cheaper, easy to use. Able to understand? Got my point, everybody? Check it. Database basics. Check it. Next, types of database. Types of database. Types of database. So how many types of databases available? There are 2 basic types of database. Do you have idea? OLTP, OLAP. OLTP full form, online transaction processing, and data warehouse data. OLTP full form, online transaction database. The data warehouse, or we are calling OLAP, online analytical processing. So there are 2 basic types of database. OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP full form, online transaction processing. This is called a live database. Check it. This database is to store live and real-time data. Example, for example, live temperature data, live stock market operation, live employee details, student detail, temperature data. This is called a database. Just like the car showroom in our city. This is a live database, live. But data warehouse is nothing but a don't. Check data warehouse database. These databases are used to store historical data, old temperature data, old stock market data, just like a Kudon in our city. Everybody understand? Difference between database and a data warehouse. Technical word OLTP and a data warehouse. Everybody got it? Please use chat panel, understand? Everyone got an idea? OLTP, data warehouse. Technical word OLAP or data warehouse. OLTP, online transaction process. Data warehouse, online analytical process. The historical data, here current data. Just like on showroom. Everybody got it? Yeah. Also heard of OLAP. Both same. OLAP and data warehouse same. OLTP, data warehouse database, or OLAP database. Online analytical processing, both same. Very good. Muslim got it? Arif. Both same. OLAP and OLTP. In the regular session, I'll show you OLTP. Now I prepared over 2 points I prepared. Totally 10 difference are there. I'm going to show you. OLTP data warehouse. The OLAP data. OLTP maintaining current data. Here historical data. Here small amount of data, large amount of data. Here current data means what to do? Transactional oriented. This is storage process oriented. I'll explain in the regular session. Totally 10 difference are there. Don't want to confuse. Now understand, everyone? Got an idea? So next, what to do? The database. In the database, now many RDBMS available. But you are selected only Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, now I'll give that path today. How to install, I'll guide. I'll give that path. We have to download and come. How to install and I'll guide. Okay. SQL Server database table. Data warehouse, MSBA, Power BI, Azure BI, Tableau. It's a data warehouse. But first we are going to concentrate databases only. What's a database? Collection of related tables. What's a table? Collection of related records. Record mean row. What's my record? Collection of related fields. What's my field? Collection of related data. Data nothing but a information. Correct? Everybody? Everyone? Got an idea? Next. Second, next, the databases. So in the database, how to communicate? We are using SQL language. SQL structured query language. And SQL is here used to perform data storage or data storage and data manipulation. Nothing but a insert, update, delete row in a table. And a data reporting. Going to generate the report. So how to generate the report, how to manipulate? We are using special language SQL. Or we use SQL to talk database. How to talk, insert, update, delete. And we use SQL to read and write the data. How to read and write the data? Data query language, select command. How to write it? Insert, update, delete. Insert mean new record inserting. Update, modification. Delete the record. Check read and write. Everybody got it? And we use SQL to manage the databases. And we use SQL to report and analyze the database. Everybody able to follow me? Understand? Yeah. Next part, many RDBMS available. So why SQL is record? You want to insert the record, update the record, delete the record. We are using SQL. Second, why SQL, right? In the database. So every teams, they are using SQL language. Second, BA developer, they are using SQL language. Now SQL must be request. And the DBA team, they are using SQL language. Data science team, they are using SQL language. Machine learning team, they are using SQL language. And the data engineer, they are using machine language, database language, and the data analyst also they are using. Now, so you are working as a BA developer or DBA, data science, machine learning, data engineer, data analyst, all people using SQL language. So SQL must prerequisite. Everybody, could you able to follow me? Got it? Yes. Take it. The database fundamental. So once you complete that program, we are going to cover database fundamental and the SQL concept and the TSQL queries. Once you complete that program, you are going to become a SQL developer or data analyst or business analyst, data scientist, data engineer, all developer. Compulsory record database fundamentals. Everyone? Everybody got it? Can you do that? Second, here, once you complete that SQL server, SQL server and TSQL. Here I'm going to cover sub language, right? How many sub language? DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, TCL, data definition language, data manipulation, data control language, transaction control language. I'll forward the PPT plus notepad file documents. So we are going to cover data definition language. Under DDL, how many commands are there? Create, alter, truncate, drop. Under DML, insert, update, delete. And here select command. Main our work maximum select command. Many commands are available, correct? Create, alter, truncate. But maximum our work is select command only, day-to-day work. Need to concentrate select. But I'll explain real example. And we are going to develop one real project also I'm going to show you. One banking project is there, I'm going to show you. Take it. SQL, DDL, DML, select command, constraint. It's nothing but a validation part. And to join, how to retrieve data from the multiple table, join concept. To that views, view nothing but a virtual table. functions, say scalar valid function, table valid function, triggers, and the group I class, merge command, normal form, normalization form, first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and the Windows function, rank, dense rank, lack, lead, row number, cursor, CTE, common table expression, stored procedure. I'm going to cover in the regular session. Everyone got it?
So, like, are you covering, do we have where functions in SQL Server?
Which
Where,
function?
where functions?
Where class available, right?
Yeah.
Where class available, right? Select from where the group I.
Okay. And
Where
are we covering date functions as well?
compulsory string function, mathematical function, date time function, conversion function, some special functions available in session 8. I'm going to discuss conversion function. After that, analytical function. After that, window function. In depth, I'm going to cover. No worry about.
Yeah.
One
And
session, I'm
like
going to take all the
one,
function.
one general doubt. So, I mean,
Yeah,
like
tell me.
learning this SQL Server, I'm like, how different it is from other databases, for an example, MySQL. So, like learning one is enough to work on
Yes,
any other thing, or like,
SQL common.
Mhm.
Listen, all the RDBMS, listen, many RDBMS available. So this is popular RDBMS, SQL Server, Oracle, Sybase, DB2, MySQL. All the RDBMS, common language, SQL common. Okay, na? But the TSQL only supporting, TSQL only supporting SQL Server. Okay, na? SQL Server only support, or Sybase support. Okay, na? SQL common. Could you able to understand? Katana. But TSQL programming language only supporting SQL Server and Sybase. Oracle supporting PLSQL. Programming language structured query language. Katana.
Okay, but learning a TSQL in SQL Server would make me proficient to work with MySQL as well. How different
Yes,
it is?
we can. 80% same, 80 to 90% same. Some function only, syntax different. Okay, na? 80% common only, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, na? That create all SQL sub languages are common only. Create, alter, truncate, drop, insert, update. This is ANSI syntax common. But TSQL, for the programming TSQL program supporting SQL Server and Sybase. Oracle different different language, PLSQL is SQL common. Very good. Pradeep got it? Writing that query in SQL pad, writing MySQL different or same? Same only, ditto, same.
Ah.
Keeping unmute button, same only.
Mm.
Keeping unmute button. Everybody got it? Can you do that? All RDBMS common only. Ditto. See? So here I'm going to cover SQL, TSQL only supporting Microsoft. Because this Microsoft language. SQL is a ANSI language, common for all RDBMS. So SQL Server, TSQL, DDL, DML, TQL, select command, constraint, join. This is separate topic. In the regular session, I'm going to discuss one by. Once you complete this SQL part, we can go for Power BI developer or Azure Data Engineering. Our SQL School Institute teaching Microsoft product, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, Snowflake support. We are teaching. So first we need to complete, because in IT market nowadays they are expecting multiple technologies. So this is basic. You are going to cover SQL, TSQL, then we can go for Power BI or we can go for Azure Data Engineer. Our team will guide you, no problem. Any technical question, you can raise. Everybody? Here Azure Power BI desktop, Power BI visual interaction, this later. Grouping, binning, filtering. And Azure Data Engineering, Azure Fundamental, Azure SQL Database, SQL Pool Storage, we are going to cover one by. So one SQL Server training course completed, then we can go for Azure SQL Developer, job role, Azure Data Engineering, Power BI, Python. If you go for Azure SQL Developer, we can, what is the role? Database Developer, we can go. SQL Programmer, BA Developer. If you're learning Azure Data Engineering, Data Engineer, Database Architect, ETL Admin, BA Developer. We can apply this job. And Power BI, if you are learning Power BI, Data Analyst, Business Analyst, Data Scientist, BA Developer. And the job role, right? Python Programmer, Data Scientist, and a Machine Learning Engineer. Can we do that? I'll forward the people. So now we are selected Microsoft SQL Server. You need to download the software. I'll give that path today. So Microsoft SQL Server version SQL Server 2022 16.0, 2019 15.0, 2017 2016 2014. How to install, I'll guide you, no problem. Edition, what to do? Enterprise Evaluation Edition, Developer Edition, Express Edition, Data Center Edition. This is not applicable. Anyone we can download. We are going to develop Developer Edition. How to install, I'll guide you. Prerequisite above Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 8 outdated, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Minimum 8 GB or 6 GB also recommend. Can you do that? Can. But if you are using Mac OS, please enable Windows install virtual machine. But Mac operating system not supporting. Top of the Mac OS, we go to install my Windows operating system. Everybody got it. Second. Here we are going to cover what are the topic: database introduction, database type, got it? The regular notes also available. Okay. Chapters OLTP, OLAP. This topic I'm going to cover. Can you do that practice? The Azure Data Engineering course and Power BI. First concentrate this TSQL queries. Check database type, OLTP, OLAP, tab database, data DBMS software, Microsoft SQL Server, software technology. Slowly we can go through it. I'll forward the doc. Second, once you complete the SQL Server, we can learn. First, we need to concentrate SQL Server. Once you complete it, we can in future, not now. First, we concentrate SQL Server, which are query tuning. Or we can go for query tuning SQL Developer or Azure Data Engineer Power BI plus Microsoft Fabric. With examination also we can do. Or DBA, Azure DBA, we can go. Everyone got it? Can we do that? Got it? So this is any technical question, we can reach this number. Okay, now number or drop your mail. Any technical doubts, we can talk to this number or drop your mail. Any other technical question? So we go to today, you need to download the software. I'll give that path. 2 software we need to download. Second, this is SQL Server software path. We go to download. Yeah, I'll give the link. Okay, sorry, yes. There are 2 links are there. One for database, one for SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio path. I'll give the link. We can download it. This is Microsoft site. I'll forward the document. Everyone got it? So this is a software path. This link, 2 editions are there. Developer edition we need to download. Click on the link. Chat panel also I'll give. I'll forward the notes. Click on the link, download now. Today download it. How to install, I'll guide you tomorrow session. Next, SSMS. That is for database. This is graphical tool we need to download. Two software need to download. SSMS. SQL, that is database. This is SQL Server Management Studio. Download SSMS. Available on software you need to download. So I'll forward the notes. You can go through the document. Any doubts, any question, any technical queries? So many RDBMS, right, available in the market. We are going to teach SQL Server. So what is meant by SQL introduction I covered? SQL sublanguages DDL, DML, DQL, TCL, under DDL create, alter, truncate, drop, under DML insert, update, delete, merge, DQL select command. Our day-to-day work, DQL only select command. TCL grant and read. TCL commit, rollback, save transaction. Correct? So this sub-language it is used to create database object. How many database objects are available? Many more objects are available. Most commonly used the 8 objects. After the data, field, record, table, database, DBMS, RDBMS, SQL, DDL, go through it. The software path I will forward now. Any doubt? Everyone? Any other technical queries? I'll forward the document. Demo session notes, HR database plus this PPT slide forward just to go through it. What is the database? What are the advantages database? Why SQL record? What are the TSQL concept, basic fundamental concept? So once you complete the program, what are the job roles are available? You can go for SQL Developer, or we can go for data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, data engineer. Got me? Can you do that?
Sir,
Yes,
what's next after download both of those two?
You downloaded? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Agash, Pradeep downloaded Agash, correct? Yes. Share your screen, I'll guide. Share your screen.
Just 1 second, sir. I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah. Your Windows operating system, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. My laptop already installed. So through your laptop.
You cannot start screen while the other participant is sharing.
Okay. Now,
Sir, I cannot able to share my screen due to already.
Now 1 second, share your screen.
Okay. Just once, let me give him a. Yeah, there you go. So you're gonna see my screen?
I'm able to see the screen. Did you download the software? Go to download folder. Go to download folder.
Second, there are a lot of things here.
First one. First link you need to download, not this one.
Oh yeah, I have already downloaded the first link.
Go to download folder. No, already downloaded, yellow color folder. Taskbar, yellow color icon available now. Taskbar.
Here?
Down. No, down. Taskbar, yellow color. No. Yes, open. Correct, that one only. Open the folder. Left side download folder, correct. Yeah. Very simple. Down, last row. Second, SQL Developer, correct.
This one, right?
Third one. Left third,
yes,
double click. Everyone, you can follow it, okay? Now, custom. Everyone, watch the video, try to install it. Install button. Everyone, you need to install. Watch the video, other participant. One machine I'll explain. Remaining, we need to download it and install it and come tomorrow. Otherwise, any help record, let me know.
I have a lot of trash in my laptop, so that's why it's very difficult to figure it out which one was the downloaded one.
No problem. No. Unwanted data, delete it. Wait. Window will come. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Left side, click on installation page.
Mm,
Right
mhm.
side, top one. Right side first. New SQL Server standalone installation. Very good. First
This one, right, sir?
Correct. Yes, correct. New SQL Server installation.
Yes. I click on that. It's showing. Please wait. You can
wait.
able to all of my screen, right?
Everyone you can see. No problem. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Click on next button.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Click on next button. Wait. Loading. Next button. No problem. Next button.
Okay.
Already SQL. Okay. Perform new installation. Next button.
Okay.
Checkbox. Accept license stamp. Next button.
Mm-hmm.
Azure account don't want. Deselect it. Blue color. First top. Deselect. Next button. Here need to select database engine service enough.
Okay.
Remaining don't want. Machine learning don't want. Taking time. Later we can install. Okay. Now next button.
So just database
Enough.
service.
Database engine service enough.
Okay.
Click on next button. Data instance name, default instance select. First one. First radio button. By default, SQL Server will come. Next. MSSQL Server. Click on next.
Mm-hmm.
Click on next. Keeping on mute button. Next button.
You need to mark the checkbox or just
No
go?
need. Next.
Okay.
Install. Mixed mode. Second radio button. Mixed mode.
Mixed
Password.
mode.
Password 123.
Mm-hmm.
Confirm password 123. Add current user. Next. Correct. Next button.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. It will take time. Okay, na? Going on, right? It will take time. After that, finish. Okay, na? After that, SSMS we need to download. Very good. Any other question?
No, so far so good.
Very good. Share your screen. Yeah. You are able to see my screen, everyone? Yes. Okay, na? So today, the demo session, that PPT notes, okay, na? I'll forward within 5 minutes. I'll forward to the Content SQL School team. So we'll get it within 5 to 10 minutes. PPT go through it and download the software and come tomorrow. Tomorrow, same time, every day, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Okay, na? So the demo session notes, I'll zip it and I'll forward to the Content SQL School. We'll get within 5 to 10 minutes.
So, like, how many days this course would go on? I mean, like, is
4
it
weeks. 4 weeks I'm going to teach.
Okay, so, like, is there any doubt sessions or like it just end of the
Yes.
class?
Yeah. 1 or 2 sessions. One session will be the doubt clarification session.
Out of 4 weeks?
Yeah, 4 week. One doubt clarification, one project session will be there. If you doubt not clarified, I'll take one more session also. No worry. 1 or 2 sessions.
I mean, like one session is like 1 hour session in 4 weeks. That's what you say.
No.
Hmm.
Every day 1 hour. Weekly 5 days, Monday to Friday.
So
Timing
that is-
6:30 to 7:30. 5
Yeah,
hours.
that is class, sir. Like, what about doubt
Yeah.
session? Is there any special
Doubt-
doubt sessions or like at the end of the
At the end of the doubts are there, I'll take, no problem. Extra 1 or 2 session I'll take.
Okay.
Okay. One weekend we'll sit, no worry about it. Doubts.
Okay.
Long session will take, no problem.
Okay, and what about assignments? You
Assignment
give-
every day I prepare, every day I'll forward, no problem.
Sir, I have a question related to the project.
Very good.
How
Yeah.
long the project will take and what are the things we would be getting support from you?
project, what to do, 2 to 3 session I'll teach. 50% I'll cover, 50% verbal.
Okay.
Okay, na?
And
SQL,
in between,
TSQL.
we need some assistance, then you can also help
Well,
us.
well,
right?
I'll help you. I'll help you. No problem.
Very good. Thank you.
Yes.
So end of this course, look, one will be proficient in writing all the queries, which is what you said.
Correct. So once you are complete the program, you are able to write own query and TSQL programming knowledge also will get. SQL and TSQL. Very good. Any other technical question? Any other technical question? Yeah.
And
So I
hi, sir.
yeah, tell me. Yes.
I just want to know, will the Power BI included in this 4-week class or it?
No. Once we'll complete, this is only basic SQL and
But
TSQL. After the next month, we can go for Power BI.
okay, thank you.
Thank you. Today's session notes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thanks for attending demo. I forwarded notes. We'll get within 5 to 10 minutes. We'll get. Okay. Na? I forward the notes. We'll get within 5 to 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Any
Thank
other
you so
technical?
much, Edwin.
Any other technical? Tomorrow same time. Okay. Na? Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for attending demo. Any technical
Thank you,
doubt
sir.
we can drop. Any technical doubt we can drop email. There is contact to the contact SQL School. Okay. Na? Talk to the team.
Sure.
They will guide you. Any other admin part they will take a technical part. I'll take 100%. No worry about.
Yeah, basically I'm using Mac. Okay.
Mac means we need to install VMware, top of the VMware, Windows operating system install.
Mhm. Okay, I'll try that today.
Yeah. Thank
All right,
you.
sir. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
one.
you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
All right, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Tomorrow same time. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I forward notes will get within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.